Starting this Camaro is an event. The engine note is deep and assertive, a sound that reverberates through the chassis, announces presence, and holds the listener's attention. At idle, there is a growl that speaks of readiness, a latent capability waiting for the first push of the accelerator. Step on the throttle and torque immediately flows through the rear tires. The transmission shifts crisply, responding instantly to throttle input with a sense of controlled urgency. Once underway, the combination of modern braking, improved suspension, and thoughtful weight distribution creates a driving experience that feels alive rather than historical. Turn-in is sharp, body roll is controlled, and corner exits feel powerful and planted. The Restomod elimination of floaty or sloppy tendencies, so often associated with original vintage muscle cars, is immediately evident. It is a car that rewards confidence and engagement rather than one that demands cautious care. Even cruising at highway speeds is comfortable. The 700R4's overdrive gear drops engine RPMs, reducing cabin noise and improving fuel efficiency while maintaining strong highway passing power. A modern stereo or integrated sound system, if installed, keeps passengers entertained on longer journeys, while AC provides comfort that original 1980s Camaros could only dream about. Cultural significance and collectability. The Chevrolet Camaro has always held a special place in automotive culture. Introduced as Chevrolet's answer to the Ford Mustang in 1967, the Camaro quickly became a cultural icon of American performance. Over the decades, it has evolved through styles, technologies, and eras, but its essence, a vehicle that boldly balances style, power, and personality, has never faded. A Restomod like this 1981 Camaro taps into both nostalgia and aspiration. It appeals to purists who appreciate the historical context of a classic muscle car, as well as to modern enthusiasts who desire performance and refinement that push beyond what the original factory could offer. Rotisserie restorations of this quality are rare because they require deep expertise, not just in cosmetic restoration, but in mechanical engineering, chassis development, and integration of new technologies in a classic package. Collectors recognize that such vehicles are not merely cars. They are investments in automotive craft. At car shows and automotive gatherings, a rotisserie restored Camaro commands attention. Judges and spectators appreciate the seamless blend of old and new, the visual fidelity to classic styling, complemented by performance enhancements that make the car genuinely satisfying to drive. Today's automotive world is a landscape where past and present collide in compelling ways. Electric vehicles, advanced turbos, autonomous tech, all shape our future. But there remains a deep and enduring love for the visceral, analog experience.